Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got the Cuckoo Clock of Doom by Cuticle. I have started this manicure off with Baby Girl Lacquer's Glitter Be Gone. And here is Cuticle, the Cuckoo Clock of Doom. This is such an unusual polish. It's almost like a chartreuse. Sometimes it looks gold, sometimes it looks yellow, sometimes it looks green yellow. I like it. And of course it's got hollow in it, so got my number. So this one has an amazing formula. So far, every one of the Cuticle polishes I've tried has just blown me away. So here we go with that second coat. And it builds up just beautifully. I probably could have got away with one coat. And here we go. Hi, Woody. How you doing? Gotta get that orange wood stick out here, you know. So I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Get it to dry down. Going to do a little playing today. I'm excited, as always, to be playing nails and sharing what I'm doing. I'm going to cap that free edge real quick. Just a little bit. And there's a photo of it all on its own. We're going to be using Mix 1 Stamping Plate by Bunny Nails. This is another plate that Miss Becky sent me. I've got Braves Diva Game Over out today, as well as my Conad Stamper and Beauty Big Bang Scraper. I am going to behave a little bit today. I'm only going to stamp on 3 nails. I'm going to leave a couple of nails with just that beautiful polish. Now, if I can find links for this stamping plate, I will list them down below. I have not even bothered to go look yet. I will see what I can find out. If not, just use an image similar. You know, if you're like me, you got plates, and even though they're not exactly the same images, a lot of times you can find something that'll work. So we're going to do this again. We're going to put some of that polish on the plate, do a nice even scrape, and then pick that image up. This is a beautiful plate. This is the first time I've ever played with a Bunny Nails plate, and I'm really impressed. I really liked it. So I'm going to go in with a piece of tape and get up some of this excess polish from around my finger. And it's just coming up great today. How lovely. But I am still going to pop in with my acetone and my cleanup brush. Habits is habits, don't you know? Got to stick with the habits. I'd probably do it even if I didn't see anything. I will be topping it with some of the Maniology's Smudge Free Top Coat. Very nice. And now I'm going to finish this off with some Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. And we're going to call this one Done. I really loved this. I really liked the stamped image. I liked the colored combo, everything. Loved everything about it. Just going to have to get Woody back out here. Hi Woody, how you doing? There we go. Get that mess cleaned up. So I am going to show you me topping just the regular polish, the Cuckoo Clock of Doom, with that Fast and Hard from Vibrant Vinyls. It just makes it look so pretty. So glossy and gorgeous. Here is my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.